Bago pa natin buksan ang fourth and final quarter of action, silipin ulit natin yung nangyari sa dulo ng third as part of our Eagle Cement High sa Tibay rebound. Brought to you by Eagle Cement. High sa Tibay. That's the second consecutive quarter that they beat the buzzer with a follow-up. 60-54, anim ang abante ng Rain or Shine to open this final 12 minutes of action. Mag-umarjon, Dadin, Quinito Henson, Erica Padilla at ang buong puwersa ng inyong Sports 5. Pinapanood sina Uyluan, Tang, Norwood, Cruz, and Almazan. Binabantayan nila Baroka, Devans, Simon, Taha, and Maliksi. Norwood's pull-up jumper, no. Cruz, rebound, reverse follow is good.
Again, the offensive rebound and the second chance points for Rain or Shine.
Uyluan with a hand on that pass once again. Norwood leading the attack, 4-on-4 on the run. T.Y. Tang down the gut of the defense, takes the contact from Taha and will shoot to the line.
Right now, Rain or Shine playing with hustle. Kita natin, no? Mahirap na tira yun. On the reverse.
Napakahirap yan, kaya nga yun ang ating DeWalt Tough Shot. Atin sa atin ang DeWalt Power Tools, guaranteed tough. Malyari nagbabalik para dito kay Maliksi. Barely a minute into this final frame. T.Y. Tang pushes that Rain or Shine lead to its largest of this evening. 10 puntos na po yan. First double-digit spread of the game.
Nakikita natin dito, a lot of the role players at Rain or Shine stepping up because marami nang wala eh. Hindi nga makakalaro sila Jeff Chan, Jerry Teng, Jerby Cruz. So guys are stepping up. Uyloan, T.Y. Tag getting good minutes and delivering good numbers.
How about Jericho Cruz? He started this contest, Dean. He was the one who's been bothering PJ Simon at hanggang ngayon nasa 9 points pa rin din si Peter June.
Tama yun, no? Jericho Cruz still sticking to PJ Simon like a leech. Ito rin naman ang kanilang one-on-one.
Simon bothered. Oh! Purefoods will end up turning this over dahil 2 seconds na lang sa kanilang shot clock.
Again, yung depensa ni Jericho Cruz forcing that turnover. At papapatawag ng timeout ngayon si Coach Tim Cone. He needs to talk things over.
Coach Tim not a happy camper on that sideline. A minute and 12 pa lang lumilipas sa ating fourth quarter. Gagamit siya ng 30-second timeout dito. Ganito.
Well, tough situation here for Purefoods, but marami pang oras. They're down by 10. There's still 10:48 to go. But this is a crucial timeout. Ngayon, dapat pag-usapan ni Coach Tim kung anong dapat nilang gawin. Adjustments in both defense and offense. Wala pa si James Yap yan, ha? On the floor.
For more exclusive content para sa mga behind-the-scenes updates at pre- and post-game analysis, log on na sa www.sports5.ph. Mapapanood nyo rin ang bawat PBA game on live streaming. Don't miss a second of your PBA. Log on to sports5.ph. At paalala rin, right after this game, kung sino man ang pipiliin ni Dadin mamaya na best player sa mananalong team, as Almazan gets that stick back, i-interviewin yan ni Miss Erica Padilla over at sports5.ph.
Magpaparoon natin yung mga telestrator na plays that we're going to be explaining. Again, nakita natin, ha? Another second chance basket for Rain or Shine off the offensive rebound.
Kaya naman 12 na ang abante rito ng Elasto Painters. PJ wants to take 3 away. Wrong timing para kay Devans. Uyluan over the tag. T.Y. paboritong tira. He delivers on the run.
Well, that pull-up jumper ni T.Y. Tang, that is trademark T.Y.
College pa lang. College pa lang pamatay na ni T.Y. yan.
On the dead run, he stops and takes the jumper.
Malyari down low to Baroka. He wants to attack the defense of T.Y. Mark Baroka trying to get the bounce. Purefoods asking for the goaltend dahil tinamaan ni Almazan yung net habang tumatalbog yung bola sa ibabaw na ring. Officials not biting though. So it is going to be 2 shots para dito kay Mark Baroka. Mintis pa yung una as we take another look at that fast break na hatid sa atin ng Smart Bro, tomorrow's internet. Uyluan launches it papunta dito kay T.Y. Yun na nga, yung patented na paboritong tira.
At yung pasa galing kay Uloan, making things happen here for Rain or Shine. Uloan nakaka 6 points na rito at si T.Y. Tang nakaka 9. He's just matching the total of PJ Simon.
Pressure in the backcourt being applied by Purefoods, but easily broken here by Rain or Shine. Norwood looking over at Coach Yang. Gets it out from the Uloan. Shot clock of Rain or Shine now down to 5. Jonathan working against Malyari. Puts up a long one. No, T.Y. down! Oh! Timing that one perfectly. Ang problema, nadaan sa kanyang ilalim si Peter June.
T.Y. Tang is still down. Let's hope he's okay. That's a bad fall. He was up in midair.
Didn't look like it was intentional on the
No,
part of
not at
Peter
all.
June. Tsaka wala din ang mga reputasyon si PJ ng ganun. Na-tempo lang talagang nandoon siya sa ilalim nung perfect timing na lundag ni T.Y. Tang.
T.Y. is still down on the floor. Let's hope he's okay. You watch it right here. Oh, that's a bad fall.
PJ was backpedaling after some contact with Jericho Cruz. Buti na lang naiangat pa ni T.Y. yung kanyang ulo kaya hindi
Yeah.
na-trap yung kanyang leeg doon.
What a somersault coming from T.Y. Tang. It looks like he's okay. He's up. He's up on his feet. But that was a nasty fall. And you're so right. Just a split second delay in his fall could have been very, very bad.
That would have been
For T.Y.,
disastrous.
yeah.
Oo.
Because he would have hit maybe his neck area on the floor. Buti walang nangyari.
Buti na lang, athletic din talaga. Yeah, si T.Y. Tang. Nagmalapusa dun no? Nakaharap pa rin, bumagsak kahit less than 1 inch na yung differential niya sa sahig. Muntik maipit. Still over 9 minutes remaining in your Super Bowl Sunday. Rain or Shine looking to put Purefoods away, up by 13 points. Jericho Cruz pulls up from the free throw line extended. Demands para sa rebound. Malyari off and running. He's got 2 guys ahead of him. Malyari finishes with a left wing kasama ng foul.
Yan ang dahilan kung bakit si Coach Tim Cone is still sticking with Malyari. He can deliver points in a flash. Makita natin dito, nice pass coming from JDV and the effort coming from Alex Malyari.
Fearless pass break yun natin sa atin na Smart Bro tomorrow's internet. Dalawa kalaban, walang problema. Naka 3-point play pa. Rain or Shine's lead now down to 10. Uloan looking to respond. Gets it over to Almazan. The main guns of Coach Yang continue to ride a bench with Paul Lee and Big Bo Belga as well as Quinyan. Here's Aranya. Working against Malyari, 4 to shoot. Aranya off the spin, pitches it out. Norwood's bailout doesn't drop. Devance will pick this one up. Purefoods goes to Melton for first is good.
Speed unit ni Coach Tim Cone now delivering. Notice that they're scoring even before the shot clock goes down at the halfway mark. A Purefoods tumitira na. So they really want to speed up the game because they feel the sense of urgency.
Oh, Jericho Cruz and Gabe Norwood, di nagkaintindihan. Norwood was already cutting on the weak side for a possible offensive rebound.
Big break here for Purefoods. Defense is clicking. Double M on the floor here for Purefoods. Malyari tsaka si Melton.
Melton gets it over to Devance. They go over to Malyari. 7 on the shot clock para sa Purefoods. Malyari, huli ni Norwood. Shot clock is at 3. Melton's got to go. Hail Mary from half court. Comes up short.
What defense coming from Gabe Norwood. Harap-harapan na block shot.
We head into this timeout. Rain or Shine is still up, but only by 8 points.